This is the time that you have chosen to become husband and wife. We are here not only to witness your commitment to each other, but to wish you every happiness in your future life together. Marriage is founded on sincerity and understanding, which leads to tolerance, confidence, and trust. We believe that those qualities which have attracted you both to each other can be best developed during a lifespan together. A happy marriage will enable you to establish a home with love and stability, where your families and friends will always be welcome.
I, Johannes, take you, Ivy, to be my wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish, and to honor, till death do us part.
I, Ivy Marie, take you, Johannes, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish, and to honor, till death do us part.
Okay, let's hear their personal vows.
I promise to love and understand you. I promise to always love you unconditionally. And I promise to never forget that our love is one in a million kind of love.
Parang kulang pa daw sabi ni Ivy. More pa daw eh.
Parang masang banting. Ano ako sasabihin?
Hi. 10 years ago, inaya mo lang ako magsimba on a Good Friday para mag-alay lakad. And now we are here at the aisle singing our vows together. Those years were definitely a roller coaster ride and a tough one. And now we're finally getting married. Dati ninakawan mo lang ako ng kiss sa cheeks. At ngayon nanakawin ko naman yung last name mo. I'm always thankful kung paano tayo nagsimula at sa lahat ng challenges na pinagdaanan natin. Because I know we will always get through it. To my best friend, food buddy, and travel buddy, thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for working around my tantrums and mood swings. And thank you for loving me the way you do because I'm not always the easy one. I promise you that I will respect and support you. I promise to be more understanding and control my temper. Pero try lang. I promise to love the good, the bad, and the ugly side of yours. I cannot promise you that I'll be the best wife and a future mother to our kids and dogs. I cannot promise you many things, but I promise you that I'll keep learning. I know we're imperfect, but we will fight. I know we're imperfect. We will fight. We will argue. But I promise it won't be the end of us. Today is the day that I dreamt about since I was a little girl. I couldn't be more ready to finally have the title that I have been waiting for forever. Finally, my middle name na ako. I didn't believe that this is the happy ending of our story. I just know that this is just the beginning of us, where we could finally build our perfectly imperfect life together. At papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.
Yes.
Let's give them a round of applause. Let's proceed now to the ring ceremony. May I request Mark Allen. Wedding rings are an outward and visible sign of an inward spiritual grace, signifying to all your union in marriage.